In this video I'll show you what happens if you delete the recovery partition of your Windows 11 installation or even Windows 10. Here after upgrading to a new system disk, I got a Pcie 4 NVMe drive, the Seagate FireCuda. I saw videos before probably. If not, they will be in the description. I was thinking to clean up the partitions and to remove some unused partition, but that ended up in the system not starting and asking me for recovery. PC needs to be repaired.
Doesn't change anything. Escape. It just restarts again. Time to use a recovery disk for Windows. Get the laptop, download, make a recovery disk. This is what I'm gonna do right now. Oh no! Media creation tool. USB Windows media creation tool installation for Windows 11. Trying to do recovery. Repair computer. Startup repair. Don't know what happened there. Looks like I'll have to reinstall Windows on this one. The same as before.
Eventually, it took a bit of troubleshooting to be able to repair it. I was able to repair it with the command prompt and to basically create a new recovery partition. The automatic repairs didn't do anything, and I tried also to repair the full fix boot command, and this also didn't do anything. The only thing that really actually made the system start again was that I created a new recovery partition, and here I deleted another partition on the drive, but I was careful not to delete the actual recovery partition that's being used now. This is a thing that can happen when you change your drives, and I had here I wanted to hide the recovery partition, not to show in the system on my computer. I removed the letter from it, so it still is working. The Windows boots from it fine, but I don't need to see it. Don't delete your recovery partition, and if you do, it's better to reinstall anyway. I had issues when I was doing shutdowns and restarts.